Welcome back to the Relaxing Ghost channel here on YouTube. As always, I am your host with the most, Ghost. Alright guys, I got the Sting DVD. I want you guys to take some time to subscribe, but this isn't about the Sting DVD. This is about good old package unboxing number 3. Sorry guys, don't want you to see my personal info, but, you know, just recently I started doing videos and, you know, I want to, get some good DVDs, and this is what I do, guys, so we're going to get into this, no BS. I know what's in here, but little receiptage. Alright guys, this was a good one. Take a look at greatness. Get this packaging out of the way. Wow. WrestleMania 25. And this is a bonus one with a 64-page book. I seen this on Amazon. It was, I will bring up the receipt now, guys. Prices for you. $8.10 I paid for this. So, I'll do a video on that, guys, later. We got the Hall of Fame 2004. Very good. One of the best classes ever. One of the best, You guys can pause for the cause and read that, The Hall of Fame is special, and it started back in 1993. And when Andre the Giant went in, it was a big, big thing, WWF at the time had no Hall of Fame. They were, on the brink of extinction at that point in time. And they inducted Andre, the first inductee. Behold, in 2015, we would have, over 50 inductees, I'm going to safely say. But 2004 was the reincarnation of the Hall of Fame. We have guys like Superstar Billy Graham, Sergeant Slaughter, Don Muraco, Jesse Ventura, Big John Studd, Greg Valentine, Harley Race, Junkyard Dog, Bobby the Brain Heenan, and Pete Rose? Oh, Greg the Hammer Valentine? Yeah, so since 2004, they brought it back at WrestleMania 20. And, the Hall of Fame is something I really look forward to each and every year. Like, WrestleMania is big enough in itself, but with the Hall of Fame during that weekend, it just adds so much to it. And it's really something I've enjoyed over the past 11 years now. And the third one in the package is the Survivor Series Anthology, Volume 2, I think, is this. I have no idea. Yeah, Volume 2, 1992 to 1996. I went with Volume 2 for now because, I don't know, that's the time of period that I enjoy watching. I'm a fan of 80s, late 80s, wrestling. But I'm going to start with this one first, I don't know why, I just did. But that's it, guys. We got 4 huge pickups today. You know, WrestleMania, I'm pretty sure this is a big collector's set. It's got that book in there. Wow. So there we go. The Hall of Fame 2004 Survivor Series Anthology Volume 2. Sting Into the Light 3-disc set. WrestleMania 25. Which includes the 2009 Hall of Fame ceremony. Headlined by none other than Stone Cold Steve Austin. So take some time. Subscribe, guys. Peace.